Hello and welcome to Visual Story Spelling. This is day one of Unit 2, and in today's lesson, we're learning the characters M, N, and E. And in Visual Story Spelling, we're learning how to use a story to help us to spell a word. That's by we're taking a word, we're breaking it down to its character sets. Those character sets help us to create a visual image. We link it together, and those images help us to create a, a, a story. Best if I show you. Here's an example of a story. So with the characters we have today, we can create the word man, and the story for man is as follows. Mr. Mushroom was tired. It, it had been 2 hours since he had started drumming his head with a trident to beat the world record. Um, Now, at the begin, and also, for if you want to be a little bit more advanced with the character sets we've learned in day one and day two, you can also use it to turn the word east into a story, and the story goes as the elephant. Um, the elephant could not believe the loud singing coming from inside the tower. Such a big voice from such a small turtle. Um, Alright, so I've got a little error here. I'll correct it out really easily. So let's go back to the beginning and see in unit unit 2, day 2, how I've gone about this. So going with the Lego short Lego film that I watched. This is the fifth image, the fifth character, which is M, and I've encoded it using the person, action, and object. So I've got mushroom hiding microwave. Now to help me remember this visual image, the character M, with this, to link it to this image, I've envisioned a microwave on the back of the scooter, a really large microwave with a mushroom hiding inside it, taking a joyride inside of the microwave on the back of the policeman's motorcycle. So that's how we are using the person, action, and object linking method and locking method with the character set 5, which is M. I've also done the same thing for N, which is Narwhal teleporting and trident. Basically, an undersea creature called a narwhal has partially teleported inside of the shield. Half of his body is hung out from either side, and he's holding a trident. Kind of, it's comical. It's a dark humor, but it attaches the character N to this image for me, so that when I need to recall what the person, action, or objects for N are, I've got an image that I can attach it to. I've also done the same thing for the E, and this elephant humming Earth. Now, Earth in my mind can be the globe Earth, or it could be the soil Earth, depending on how you like it. And we've got an image of the police chief is banging on the desk, and my visual image was he was banging on the desk, and the elephant was also drumming on the ground and shaking everything in the office, and he's going, "Damn you! Will you stop that?" So I've got a little hilarious image going on here. And for 8, we have I, and I is insect blowing igloo. So here we've got an image of the Lego police station, and I've kind of envisioned, instead of a police station, it's a igloo police station, and the insect is flying above, and it's blowing it down. It's not everything in the image has to always relate, but you can go ahead and mutate and change things in images in order to make a link between the character I and the image, so that you can recall it, and it's a vivid image, and there's some emotion, there's some humor happening. Basically, you really want to get some kind of an emotion attached to this image when you try to link a character set to an image, because that's how your mind works. Remember, we all remember things that move us in some way: sad, happiness, fear. We attach to those images, and they stick. So with these, day one character set and day 2 character sets, these are some simple words you can create already, and these are some challenge words. These are longer words, um, that you can also make. And as always, as you're going through the day, you can look through, you can go about your day for the challenge, and be seeing normal words in your own life, and trying to break them apart, and seeing how you can apply these character sets these character sets into your normal day-to-day life. Even words that you already know, you can just picture a word. Maybe you don't have the full range of characters, but for those range of characters that we have gone over, you can try to envision a partial story for some words that you run into on a day-to-day basis. And with that, I will stop there, and I'll see you in day 2.